Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be exploring the iconic Durban in the east coast of South Africa. We are glad to have you here. We have a jam-packed video in store for you, and we will be going through some of our experiences we've gone through, from going go-karting to going to Zimbali and even going to the Aquarium. It was great, and we're glad to show you this. So we're going on a snack run. I feel amazing, I feel great. We're just starting the trip, and we need to make sure that we have all the facilities and we're doing great, man. We just started the trip. You know we have to get that goat song. Hey, this guy is serious, the way he's picking it, he knows, bro.
It's a must, Charlie. It's a must.
All I'm gonna say is, Durban, here we come. Durban, here we come.
2 seconds later.
Yo, the cops. And please explain to me why they wanted to search me first, specifically me. But it was a slight inconvenience. We got through it, and now we're back on the road to Durban. We just made it to England. Everything's looking great, and I'm happy. We finally had our first stop. I need to get a smoothie or something. It is so hot today. I'm so glad I brought these shades. I'm looking great, and I'm feeling great. At Durban, here we come. Let's go. Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're pretty much, I'd like to say, the unofficial halfway mark, even though we've still got 3 hours to go.
We're almost there though.
But yeah. I think we snacked up pretty good. The cars got snacks. The journey's good. The company's good. The conversation is flowing. Mr. DJ's got us on that box.
You know what's up. You know what's up.
But yeah, man.
This place was such a great spot to just chill, relax. We had our smoothies and we had our snacks just to calm, because we know that the journey is kind of long, and we took some photos. You guys should check that out on my IG and the link in the description. But let's go on the road again. Boom. We drove for so long, but the landscapes were so beautiful, guys. Please look at how the place looks. And boom, we're already in Durban. We're about to get there, and this is how the beach looks. So before we even checked in, we had to just experience and check out the landscape. Like, I'm finally on the beach, guys. Like, when you're in Gauteng, you don't get to experience this so often. So I'm like, before I even get anywhere, let us touch our feet on the sand, guys. Like, there's just something so beautiful and so nourishing about just feeling the ocean breeze across your face and just feeling the moist air around you. Like, wow, guys, look at this. Boom, we got to the place, and this was the view. Look at this. This is amazing. I loved everything. Like, Ushaka's right there, if you could see in the corner. But yeah, so the first thing we needed to do is we need to go get some food, So we decided to go to Mhlanga and check what's going on. It's already evening because we drove for the whole day, and we came across this really beautiful looking restaurant from outside. And please look at this place. And it was really great, and it so just happened that we made it in time for the rugby game. South Africa was versing Wales. You could feel it in the spirit. Everyone was there to enjoy themselves. Like, it was so great. Like, check, we're about to sing our anthem, and as soon as the game started, we just started scoring try after try. It was as if we weren't even trying, but we were scoring tries. No DNA, just RSA. Woo!
Show me my technique. Yeah? Not the facial expressions, dog.
The food was great. I loved the wings and the sausages. It was everything I needed, and that was the best way to finish off the night. So we went straight home, and we decided to touch the beach one more time before the next day. Boom! We started our day to this beautiful view. We had a nice coffee just to start off the day the correct way. I went on a run just to stay fit. You know, I feel like there's small opportunities you get to run by the beach, and I really felt like doing that for myself, if you get me. And it was great because like I got to see I got to see the beach, I got to feel the air. It was just a great ambiance that was just around. Now we're heading in the whip. We have a few activities that we need to do, so we're heading to the mall. So we're going to Pavilion Mall, and you'll see in the video ahead what we're about to do, so stay tuned. So we just made it to Pavilion Mall, and we're about to do a few different things, and you're gonna see as the vlog continues. But I'm so happy to be I'm so happy to be here. Let's get it going.
Oh, hey, you know, we want to walk around with it, falls down. That falls down. That falls down.
So this is the first time, my first time in Pavilion Mall myself. We're looking for where the go-karting is. I'm kind of lost, I'm not gonna lie, but the mall is bigger than I expected. Let's just see if I find the place. Let's just check what goes on. We finally made it to the go-karting track, and I'm glad to be here. It's actually my first time going go-karting, so I don't even know what to expect. Yeah, I feel it.
You're gonna see it with your hair, especially.
We're ready. Look at the boys, that competitive spirit. We're out here.
This is what we're gonna do today. Look at that.
So we started, and as soon as I did my first lap, I kind of got used to the controls, and after that I was just off the speed for real. Like I was just off the speed. I never knew it would be this fun.
I went up a diesel. What's happening? What's happening, bro?
And here this gent is driving like an F1 racer. He's overtaking me, yo.
What's kind of girl? Hey, let's go. Hey, went up a diesel. Hey, this guy. Formula One, bro. Hey. All right. MB, how was it? MB, tell us, how was it, bro?
I don't think so. My spirit's now.
Sweat of champions.
Hey, this guy was in diesel today. You've been diesel today, bro.
Immediately after go-karting, we needed to get some food. Like I never knew like go-karting would take so much energy out of you, so we needed a spot just to relax and enjoy. And look at them, oh wow, it's so beautiful, you know, in Christmas spirit. It's almost Christmas time, and we decided to head to Panarotis, guys. Yeah. I felt like a child once again. My inner child is going boom, boom, boom. Like it was really cool to just be here. I was seeing kids busy being thankful because it's their birthday. Like it's been a while since I've been to Panarotis. I was feeling that my inner child come out, you know. Look at the food. Look at the food. Yo. Guys, we had like a spare rib pizza. I wanted pineapples on pizza. People were disagreeing. I'm just like, okay, BU, it's fine. But like I decided to get spare rib. So next we headed to the fun company so we could find where we're gonna go bowling. The arcade was looking great. I love always seeing the lights in the arcade, just looked kind of aesthetic and stuff. And me, I was ready to win today. I was ready. Like when I saw those pins, I'm just like, it's time, guys. I was so glad to be there, and this tends to be my favorite part where you're taking the pictures for the graphics that you'll see later. I'm first up, and let's see what I'm going to do. Let's see. We kept on playing, and the pressure was getting worse and worse. And please look at her. She's about to do magic on the bowling. Boom! Look at that. Wow. Please look at the seriousness in this man's eyes. He's ready. Look at him go. Bah! Look at the technique.
Let's go.
So that was me promising a strike, and this is me completely completely hitting the guts, guys. Seriously. This was so fun and we enjoyed ourselves. So these were the final results. I came in second, not too bad.
It's a calm Sunday. Me and the brothers, you know the vibes. We're heading home now. Gonna go head up a young games night. Nothing too hectic.
So we're off to Aquarium. I'm so excited. I don't even know what animals I'm going to see. It's been a while since I've gone to an aquarium, so let's go.
And I can see the aquarium in the distance. It was actually so close to us. It was literally just like 1 minute, 2 minute drive.
We'll be back in March, guys. We'll be back in March.
We're coming for you.
We are coming for you.
We're at Osaka. We just got here, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's been like a long time since I've actually been here. Let's see what we're gonna see right now. We finally made it to Osaka. Megalodon, whoa. Guys, please look at how large this thing is, 16 meters. Imagine how big that is. They're extinct though, but like that's like from here to like at the end kind of big.
Go. I'm kidding.
Oh, contemporary.
Before I leave this place, I'm saying something.
To the aquarium, please look at this place. Please look at it. Wow, like this whole submarine. The aquarium is underneath. We're out here, Durban. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
We're finally here. We're at the aquarium. Woo! The first thing I want to see is a shark, guys. I won't lie to you.
Seafood.
Wow, look at these lobsters. I mean, they're kind of weird and all that, but
Hey, and some people are looking at the lobsters and getting hungry.
whoa, guys, look at Nemo. Woo!
So cute. It was just so great being here and seeing all of these different types of fish. I tend to forget how many different types of species of fish really live in the ocean, and just getting a moment to get to experience that through like the aquarium was really great. Like I got to see stingrays, I got to see even turtles, and I'm just like I couldn't get enough of seeing this all. I was just so amazed.
Bestie.
Wow.
Nice to see this.
Whoa, how is that fish so big though? And I cannot believe I saw so many species today. And looking at the sharks, please look at its eyes. What? No, dangerous animal here, guys. Beware, beware. Yo, this shark kind of looks old, like it's a grandpa shark. Grandpa shark, like it was moving kind of slow, but I still wouldn't go inside with that one. This is something that I really had to be one of my highlights of actually being at the aquarium, but getting to see these really tiny jellyfish through this red screen, like they were so small, also like super cute, although they don't actually have faces. But jellyfish are just like a weird animal to just see sometimes.
Which one? Okay, so these are shark eggs. So 40% of sharks lay eggs, 60% of sharks give birth to larvae, 40% of sharks lay eggs. Like if German sharks lay eggs, there's the embryo. Inside the egg, get nutrients from the yolk. Egg will hatch after 6 to 12 months. Then the mother ties the egg by the seaweed, so that or the seagrass, so that yeah, with the yes. So we're off to the second location.
Young man. It's a good, super hot day in Durbs.
Sorry, Oaks, no filming, please. Where's your permit? No filming here, Oaks. Please.
We're off to the second location now. We're going to.
What are we saying?
Where are we going again, guys?
Capital Zimbali.
Yeah,
We're gonna have drinks there, have lunch, take amazing photos.
you know the vibe. Yeah.
See you at the beach, babies. See you at the beach.
Bye, guys.
Guys, look at the brush cut boys go. So clean, shiny. I may join there, but probably not.
Guys, it's a hot day in Durban, and you know you gotta get that ice cream. I love the caramel dipped ice cream in Steers, guys. It is amazing. Going next to Zimbali, you're gonna see us in the next clip. Let's go.
Welcome to Zimbali, guys.
Zimbali, here we come. Here we are. Woo! So we just arrived in Zimbali and everything is looking amazing. Everything is looking great. I cannot believe this place. Wow.
Please look at the ocean view from the hotel lobby. Like, it is such a stunning view. I cannot believe this. I love this so much.
Zimbali looks beautiful. The capital is great. I've seen so much so far. Like, the amenities here are just like I can't even tell you. Like, when it comes to aesthetics, this place is amazing, right? I need to really come here. It's really great.
Wow, this was just such an exquisite view, and just look at that pool, like seeing a lot of Zimbali just from the top of the capital. Look at the ocean. We made our way down to the pool so we could just see it, and it was looking so beautiful, and it was such a hot day, so people were enjoying. Look at the slide. Damn, it's like it's looking great. It was just a beautiful and scenic place to be. So there was a mini restaurant right next to the slides in the pool, and we decided to eat out here. Very beautiful and scenic place. Love the aesthetic, and we decided to have some basic nice ribs, so sauced up, and some onion rings with the side of chips. It was great. After that, we headed to Fire Room. Some of us were in the mood for sushi, and I was one of them. And we went there, and the aesthetic was beautiful. We decided to have a few plates. Whoa, like look at the fire on that sushi. This is exactly how I like it.
Hey,
the sushi was so delicious. I cannot even tell you. I love this so much, and it's everything that I needed. This was a perfect way to finish off our last night and evening in Durban, and I had such a great time. And now we're off home.
We're on our way out. We've had a great time in Durban. It has been amazing. We're about to head back and go on our 6-hour drive back to Joburg/Pretoria. And I'm kind of dreading the drive, but you know, seeing what I saw today and this whole weekend that I experienced, like, it's worth it, bro. Like, it's worth it. Like, I had the time of my life, and I was with people that were great. It was amazing, guys. And I hope you enjoyed the YouTube video as well. There's a lot to see, there's a lot to enjoy. We went through a lot of experiences, and I wanted to have you guys join us for that.
Thank you so much for making it through this video. I appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe. That supports the YouTube channel. And we'll be back with another one. Peace out, guys. Boom.